my name is Belinda, and I'm going to teach you a very simple clogging routine. It's to save your life by the Newsboys. So you're going to start by holding 17 counts of music, and then you're going to do a clog over vine. So you're going to step with your left foot, you're going to put the right foot in the back, step with your left foot, put the right foot in the front. Step with the left foot, put the right foot in the back, and step with the left foot, put the right foot in front. So that's all you do. Step back, step front, step back, step front. Now when you do the step back part, if you want to, pick that foot up like you're going to kick your bottom and then put it down just to make it a little bit fancier. Step back, step front. Okay, after you do that, you're going to do a simplified chain. And what I mean by that is pretend you have a stick horse and you're going to gallop, and then you're going to gallop in a circle. That's all you're going to do. So you can do an 8-count gallop to the left. 5, 6, chain left, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now your right foot's ready to do that entire thing again. So you're going to step to the back, step to the front, step to the back, step to the front. Chain 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, you ready to try it with the music? Here we go. Hold 16. 13, 14, cloggers. Chain. Clog over vine. Chain. All right, so hopefully you got that. If not, we learned it. Try it again. From there, you're going to go step and then clap and then a really short chain to the right like this. So it's that little 3-step. 1, 2, 3. We're going to call that a simplified basic. We're going to do 3 of those. Step, clap, step, rock, step, step, clap, step, rock, step, step, clap, step, rock, step. All right, so every time you're doing that step, rock, step on your right foot. After you do that, you're just going to lift up your knees. Left, right, left, and right. Now, if you can, when you lift up that knee, do a drag, and then step, drag, step, drag, step, drag, step. You don't have to put the drag in there, but it's kind of the way clogging usually looks. You add a drag, step, drag, slide to it, so it's just kind of getting you ready to do that. You can also think of it as just a skip, because it's kind of the same thing. So I'll probably say skip. All right, so let's add that to the very top. Remember the whole 16 counts. Hopefully you got a step, one more step than you got last time maybe. All right, from here, you're going to do 4 little kick steps like this. Kick step, kick step, kick step, kick step. So I'm going to go to this direction. Left foot goes first because in clogging you almost always start on your left foot. So left, right, Then you're going to go heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel, step, step. Kind of like what we call walk the dog in clogging, so I'll probably say walk the dog, or I may say kick steps and heels. 5, 6, 4 kick steps, go. 1, 2, heel, heel. Again. Heel, heel. All right, after that you're going to do 4 fancy doubles. Now a fancy double in clogging, double means 2. You're going to do 2 of those kick steps. And then 2 rock steps. Rock, step, rock, step. So So rock just means you go back, you leave your heel up, you just rock back and forth. Rock, step, rock, step. We've actually already done them because when you did your chain, you went step, rock, step, rock, step, rock, step. Step, rock, step, rock, step, rock, step. When we did our step, clap, step, clap, step, rock, step. So we've been doing those. That's half of what clogging is a rock step. We'll get to the other half later called a double step. All right, so we're going to do 4 fancy doubles. In this dance, every fancy double starts on the left foot. So that means the left foot goes in the back every time. And I gave you 4 of them. So by the time we're over, you'll get at least 1 of them, right? All right, let's do it from the top. See how we do. Clog over left. Change. 2 right. Change. Step clap. Skip. Walk out. Again, 4 steps. Heel. Fancy double. 2 steps and 2 rocks. 1 more. Alright, so there's only 1 more step left in this chorus here, and then we just start all back over again, so you know most of the dance already. So this last step, you're just going to do step touches. You're going to do 8 of them actually. Now you'll hear the music, it'll have this little weird sound, and during that we're going to do our arms like this for save, because like pretend that they're bound and then you are delivered. So the first one you do plain, the second one you add the arms, the third one you add the arms, and the fourth one you do plain. So first one, and arms, and last one. Alright, I'm going to slow it down just a hair more this time, because I know that fancy double's probably tricky in there. 13, 14, 5 left goes. Change. Change. Step clap. Skip. 4 quick step. Heel. Again. Fancy double. 2 steps. 2 rock steps. Left and back every time. Now step touch. Step touch. Start over. Step clap. 1 more. Skip. 4 quick steps. Heel. Fancy double. Last one. Step touch. Alright, so pretty much that's it. We're going to learn the break now. So the break right, it's just a regular grapevine to the left, like you do in line dancing, and then a grapevine to the right. Now, if you've not done that before, just think in terms of taking 3 steps this direction. 1, 2, 3, and then touch, and 3 steps that direction. 1, 2, 3, touch. Then you're going to turn to the left. So to turn to the left, you're going to push your left shoulder back. So look at your left shoulder and push it back, and keep going all the way around. Then you're going to turn to the right, so push that right shoulder back. That just helps everybody to know which way to turn. You're going to do it again. If you want to add your arms, you can go point and down, point and down, and then you turn to the left. The second time you do this through, then you turn back to the right. That last turn, you're going to open up your arms, and you're going to just keep turning until the music catches back up with you. And you're going to go straight back into those 4 kick steps, heel, heel, step, step, heel, heel, step, step. And you're going to do it till the end. One more part I want to tell you at the very end. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you because you've already done it before, basically. You're going to do a chain to the left. Then you're going to do a chain turn like we did before, but only for 4 counts. We're only going to turn halfway like this. Then you do it again, chain left, chain turn, chain left, chain turn, and last one, chain left, and chain turn. So there's 4 of them total. So if you want to, you can do chain left and then a 3/4 turn, which puts you here, chain left, 3/4 turn, which puts you to the back, then chain left, 3/4 turn, puts you to the small, and the last one puts you to the front. It doesn't matter. You can also just do them to the front, whatever you want to do. But that's the very end, and then you just step out and put your arms out like that. So let's do the whole thing all the way through. Try to get one more step than you got last time. I did it different than I said. So at the very end, you can do the step touches like I just did, or you can do the chain. So I'm going to go back and do that alternate ending there real quick. If I can get it to come back up, I'm usually left. It does that sometimes. Okay, so let me go to the ending there, because I told you to do chains, and then I ended up doing the repeat instead. So like I said, you could do either one. Chain left. Chain turn. Chain left. Chain turn. Chain left. Chain turn. Chain left. Chain turn. Yay! All right. So, a couple of things I want to tell you. First of all, on these kick steps, eventually they're supposed to be double steps. A double is the same thing as a shuffle and tap. It just means you make two sounds. If you've never done shuffles and tap before, the best way I know to explain it is just to kick your foot out and let your ankle be really loose. Kick it one time, like you're trying to get bubble gum off of it, bottom of your shoe, and then just let it hit the ground. You notice I kind of took out my heel, and it's a lot more complicated. I realize somebody's never done it. Adults tend to get their ankle too stiff. They can't get that movement in there. There's a lot more ankle movement than people realize. But it just takes practice, and you can just do kick step instead. But I told you that we were doing simplified chains and simplified basics, and that's because instead of doing that double, we were not doing the double. That's what makes it simplified. So clogging chain, actually, instead of looking like this, it just looks like this. Or if you do the kick, all right, so if you did the step clap, I was trying to decide whether to do the kick or the double. So if you just do the kick, it will be like that. So try to get those kicks before those steps. Eventually try to turn them into double steps, and then you will be officially a clogger. Hope you enjoyed it.